Hello, today I'm going to show you the new WordPress editor that I have added in the redesigned site. I think this editor is new to you, as you only know the default editor of WordPress like this here. Just add any text or just like add any media from your media library. That is what you know, I think. So I have added a visual editor actually. With this editor you can create any type of layout in your website, like as you shown the sample website that you wanna do something like that. I forgot, let me find the link here. Okay, sorry, whatever, you can just make any kind of layout with the WordPress editor here. So this is the default WordPress editor. Here you can, to enable that editor, here you can see there is two types of editors, like backend editor and front-end editor. With this front-end editor you'll be able to edit from the site front end, like not in the back end here. This is called the front end of the site, I mean the live site actually. With the front end editor you can edit from the front end, but as we are using the back end here, so we would like to use the back end editor here. So click on this back end editor, and then you see there's something new here, and the WordPress default editor has gone. Okay, so suppose if you wanna add anything here, like if you wanna add a text, some kind of text or some kind of image here, so you would like to click on this add element, or there is a predefined, there are some kind of predefined template set here. Just add template, there you will see all this a ready-made template here you can apply, like about section, about with features, center description, chart section, chase grid. All of this predefined layout is set there, so you can choose any of this and just apply to your new layout. So these are the predefined, but we would like to do it custom to show you actually. So like for this you need to add an element here, like for the first thing you need to add a row actually. You can add one row in a page, and you can add one or more row in your web page layout. So there is one row that is must actually, so create one row, and this is the row. You can here suppose this is the row, and you can divide this row with many parts, with many columns actually. Like here, if you hover this way, there you see there it shows different types of layout of a page. Like if you set this one, this row will be divided into two columns like this. There you see this row is divided into two columns, and here this is the two columns, but one column is wider and the second column is less wider than the first one. This way you can see that and there is a three column layout, also 4 column layout, also left column thinner, right column wider, and this is also there. I mean there's different kind of layout you can add. So suppose if you want to add any text here, just click on this will be a text block, and with this text block you can customize anything you can add here actually, this is text, and this is almost like a WordPress default editor, and thus you can add any media like this one. So there you can see it will be loaded here. There you can see you can add any kind of image like this, or there is a different option actually also for the only single image, like this is the text block actually. Let me show you something new here. Just click on that column, and there you can see there are so much element there you can add to your website, like contact form 7. With this one you can put any kind of contact form there. For this contact form you need to create a contact form from here and just select that contact form with this, using this widget. So row is the one that I have showed you. You need at least 1 row or 2 row in your web page, and the text block is the same. You can add any type of icon here. This is a line separator that will separate any kind of content with this. There's a separator with the text. An example of separator with the text is here I just added this one, the quotation. It says course. This is the line separator, but the outline here, the border, you can see I just added using the style sheet here. So actually this is the line separator. Actually it would have been better if I could show you each element how it is working, but I think that will be lengthy. That is why I'm not showing you. You can try any of this actually and see how it looks like, and let me ask, you may ask any questions if you do have any there. So there you can see message box. You can add any kind of message box, Facebook like box, Twitter name button, Google button, Pinterest button. There is a fact option also here. There will be a accordion tab, like other website has a fact tab. This is a single image. With this one you can add any single image, and that you can show with any size, and you can apply any kind of animation here. Like, let me show you with this one. Okay, just if you want to add a single image here, let me, it's loading actually. Okay, just a little bit taking time. Let me click on the edit again. One thing, just suppose you have added already an element here in this columns or in these rows, so you can just if you want to edit that one later on, then you can do something like just hover on that element. There you will see a pencil icon. That is the edit link actually. Same as for the text block or any other item you add from that element grid actually. Like this is the editor. It's loading actually. Internet is a little bit slow today. Here you can see the speed is 5 kbps. It's showing here. So yeah, so finally it's loaded. Probably it will take, yeah. There you see image source. You can add any kind of image here, like click on this one, and you can upload files, and you can do it from your media library. Okay, media library is loading slowly, so let me find any text from your website, like suppose this one. Well, I'm not sure why it is taking time actually. So okay, so taking time actually. So you can add any kind of image, like what the hell is going on? Okay, any kind of image you can set here, like, and you can set the image alignment here, left, right, or center, and then you can set the image style. There you can see rounded, border, outline, shadow, border shadow, 3D shadow, whatever. There's all kind of option, like let's say you want a rounded one, and on click action you can set any kind of link to large image, open pretty photo. This will be a pretty photo link, and open custom link, zoom, whatever. They all this option here. And CSS animation, you can say, like, what if you say that one, like update this one, and just check it this here. There you see, as there is not set any images, so this came from left to right. That is the animation there. You can send, you can set as the style there. So there's an option for this one, from top to bottom, bottom to left. And there's so many options. You can just nudges around this one, and check if you can do anything. So actually this is the basic one I just showed you here. And after this, if you want to add any row here after this, like this will be 3 column edited, and like here if you want to set a kind of full wide row, this will be 3 column, this will be, and still you can divide this one with any kind, and this way you can just make any kind of layout with this one. Can add any kind of image, and as you can see there are so many options here, like you can add any kind of slider, video player, and progress bar, post slider, widget as sidebar, call to action. Whereas you can just taste all of these things and figure it out how it works. Actually that will be better, and that will be more understandable for you. And after checking, if you don't understand anything, just email me, then I'll try to answer this one quickly as possible. So for today, this is the actually this is the just basic one I just showed you here. So with this, using this type of layout, I just created all of these pages here in the site. So if you want to edit this, you will already see that these are created using using the editor here. So just everything, check you and let me know if you do have any question. Thank you.